Good morning, traders. This is Monday, the 17th of September, and it's just 11:30 a.m. I want to just post this quickly, the analysis for today on GBP USD. I'm going to also post another one for Euro USD. But I'm just looking at the market right now, what it is doing. We are expecting two things. The market is ranging. There's no news today, so we are not expecting any surprise big moves. But there's just one thing that I want to point out here. From where we are, this is 1 hour chart, and I'm looking at the market to break into the OTE, optimum trade entry zone here, and also there's a possibility of the market breaking up to a data high. Alright, so we've got two zones to consider. We've got this zone to consider, and then we've got another zone to consider. We've got these two zones that are very, very important for today's trading. So we are looking at the market to move from, if the market is going down from where we are right now, we will be looking at selling the market from the data high after it breaks this zone. So at least the market should come and break here and then come down to a data low. Alright, so expect the market to go into that zone. After that, we'll be selling it, and if it happens to break this zone, we'll know that it's going to reach for the data high first, then come here. But likely, most likely, the market will be dropping and selling. So we are looking at least 100 pips from where the market is. We're looking at least 100 pips today selling. So if you are trading today, this is the setup that I'm looking at, and you can put the trade on your demo account just to confirm my analysis, as we'll be doing this on daily basis. I want you to start following this and start benefiting and getting some pips. Alright, if you are trading your live account, the same. I encourage that you register a free demo account. If you have not registered a free demo account yet, just follow the link on the page, on our Facebook page, Make Money Online FX. Then register a free demo account there, so that you can practice these strategies there. Alright, if you already have an account, just plug this and learn and follow through. I'm looking at breaking there, where we are going, breaking into the OTE or breaking into that line, and then we're going to go down to a data low, average daily range. Alright, so that's the analysis for GBP USD as I've made it for this morning. Hope you have good trading, and I'll be posting just now the analysis for Euro USD. Alright, this is Herbert signing out from Make Money Online FX, our Facebook page. Follow, like this page, share it with your friends, and let's trade and make some pips on the market. Let's make money online today. God bless you. Happy trading. Bye.